All right, we are here in East Cleveland. We are at the Rockefeller Estates, a development that was built for John D. Rockefeller's executives and high-level employees. John D. Rockefeller, the first billionaire in the history of the world. So all these homes are primarily the same. Right now we're going to be running new hot, cold, and return lines for this home right here. But check out this street. Just massive trees all the way throughout. And all these homes are primarily the same. Old slate tile roofs. Just beautiful homes. And they are built well.